Hello everyone, myself Agripriya from second year Computer Engineering Zeal College. Student, we are talking about PBL Microproject Java Programming by guidance PV Zavalkar ma'am.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello guys, the title of project display implement find and replacement functionality using Java. Group members are Agadi Priya, Shinde Jyoti and Anush Prakshale. Outline of this project: introduction, use of Java, application of Java, importance of Java, program and output. See the first introduction. Java, it is the simple programming language. It is a class-based object-oriented programming language. Java applications are compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java virtual machine. The syntax of Java similar to C and C++. See the application of Java. We can use Java technology to develop the following application. First one, mobile app development, desktop GUI application, web-based application, gaming application, big data technologies, distribute application, cloud-based application, IoT application. Use of Java. What is Java used for? Java is the most popular widely used object-oriented programming language. The security features of Java makes it popular and widely used. It is used by many Java entities for different purposes. By using Java, we can develop a variety of applications such as enterprise application, network application, desktop application, web application, games, Android app, and many more. Importance of Java. Java is also used widely for developing mobile apps and games for Android, the mobile platform with a large install base. There are also a number of reasons why Java will remain important over a longer period of time. See the packages and keywords used in Java. First of all, import java.io.scanner, import java.util.scanner, class, this, array, system.out.println, public void, public static void main, scanner s is equal to new, scanner system.in, for and if. See the first, import java.io.scanner. It means use import the class which is included in Java input or output packages. Second, import java.util.scanner. It means import all the classes and interface within Java. Class. A class is a user-defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. It represents the set of properties or methods that can common to all objects of one type. Fourth one, this. This keywords refers to the current object in a method or constructor. Fifth one, array. Array are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Sixth one, system.out.println. System.out.println is used to print an argument that is passed to it. The statement can be broken into three parts, which can be understood separate as system, out, and println. Seventh one, scanner s is equal to new scanner. Scanner is a class in Java util package used for obtain the input of the primitive types like int, double, etc. 8.1, for. For the Java for loop is used to iterate a part of the programming several times. 9. If. If the Java if statement is the most simple decision make the statement. See the program and programming code. Here we create a package named as Java program. In that we import a scanner class. Then we have create public class named as find and replace. In main method we have create a scanner object. In then we have getting the input of user by using system.out.println. Then we are fetch the data getting from a user in scanner object. Same thing have been done for the 4 lines. Then we have the if statement. Here we check string old word has or not. If condition become true, then the cursor we entering in the if loop. In the if loop, we have printing the old word, replacing by new word by using the replace method, and condition become false. Else part will be executed. In the else, we are printing the message as the word found or not. Here we compile the program in online compiler. See the output of program. Thank you.